Cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese both start from the same simple ingredients, milk, rennet, and bacterial cultures, but end up as completely different textures, flavors, and behaviors, not because of ingredients, but because of processing chemistry. Let's break it down. Both cheeses begin when milk is curdled using rennet enzymes and lactic acid bacteria like Lactococcus or Streptococcus thermophilus. This forms a gel, a network of casein proteins trapping fat and water. But after this point, the paths split completely. Cheddar starts with curd cutting, where whey is released from the gel. But then comes something unique: cheddaring. Curd slabs are stacked, turned, restacked again and again for 30 to 60 minutes. This does three critical things: forces out more whey, aligns protein fibers, lowers pH to about 5.1 to 5.4. Then the curd is milled, salted, and pressed into blocks. And then comes the most important step: aging, 3 to 24 months. Inside the cheese, proteins slowly break down, a process called proteolysis. This creates sharp flavor compounds, aromatic molecules, and even tyrosine crystals, those white crunchy specks in aged cheddar. The result? A firm, crumbly, low-moisture cheese with about 35 to 40% moisture. Mozzarella, the heat-stretched cheese. Mozzarella takes a completely different route. After curd formation, the curd is allowed to acidify to around pH 5.0 to 5.2. But instead of aging, it goes into hot water. Pasta filata, spun paste technique. The curd is heated to about 75 to 85 degrees Celsius and then stretched and kneaded. This is where the magic happens. The heat causes casein proteins to uncoil and align into long, parallel fiber-like structures. Then it is shaped into balls or logs and cooled in water. Mozzarella is usually eaten fresh, soft, milky, and high in moisture, or processed into low-moisture mozzarella for shredding and pizza. The key difference, this is the science: cheddar equals mechanical restructuring plus aging. Mozzarella equals heat stretching plus fiber alignment. That one difference changes everything. Cheddar melts but does not stretch. Mozzarella stretches beautifully but does not age into sharp flavor. Because cheddar's protein network is compact and broken. Mozzarella's protein network is aligned like fibers. So when mozzarella melts, those fibers uncoil, creating the famous pizza pull. Even mozzarella has versions. Fresh mozzarella, the soft balls in water, has very high moisture, 52 to 60%. That means it releases water easily, which can make pizza soggy. So the pizza industry uses low-moisture mozzarella, part skim. It browns better, stretches perfectly, and doesn't flood the crust. Same cheese family, but engineered differently after stretching. And don't miss the next video, where we'll uncover another everyday food phenomenon that's secretly controlled by science. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious.